we are jumping into our next segment, which is the sponsor segment. But before that, let us play a video prepared by our sponsors to be played. And right after that, I'm gonna call up people to join and participate for our game. And while we are still preparing for the video, I would like to ask 10 people to come up here on stage. I need 10 people. Go! Akit dito, akit dito. 10 people. I need 10. Alright, so again, I need 10 people. No registration needed. All we have to do again is to enjoy up here on stage. 10 people to join and participate with our game. You don't need to wait for them to go, just come up here on stage. Alright, we've got 2. This is for the game, guys. This is for the sponsors game. I need 8 more people. 8 more. Oh, kanina may gold fish na. I can see, McQueen. McQueen. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 2 more. We've got to have 2 more. 2 more. Go. You don't get, guys, you don't need to raise your hand to join. All that is come up here on stage. Okay? Akit kayo on stage. Alright, okay. Meron tayong dalawa na. Kompleto na. Alright, guys. First things first, I'd like you to drop your things or stuff. Sa likod or sa gilid, better. And then, gilid na tayo, sabay-sabay natin panoorin yung video. Okay? So, gilid muna tayo, guys. Gilid. Alright. I'm so happy, guys, that you guys already separated yourselves from each other with a group of five. So I'll just use your group of five and then the group of five. So with that, I'd like to ask you to think of a name. And then form a line. There. Group 1, Group 2. Back there. No. Both of you are there. Just 1, 2. Okay, isip lang kayo, no? Ng pangalan habang inaayos ko sa table. Alright, sige, isip lang kayo ng pangalan, ha? Okay, so I stand corrected. One group will be coming from here, one group will be coming from here. So, which one? Okay, anong group name nyo? Wow, very original. Bonchon! Okay, give it up for Bonchon. Group name. Group name, what's your group name? Oh my God. Wow, very original. 6, 7, and 7 Bonchon, so let's give it up for that. So here's what will happen. I want you guys, form a line. Like horizontal line. Sorry, vertical line. Vertical. Yeah, like that. So between ang Manchester, kasali mo siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kuya, tingnan. Okay, so dito lang gawin natin. First natin sabihin, sinabi kayo, point dito. And then, flip the bottle. Go, flip the bottle. Huwag mo pala nagpas yung gusto ka. Hinagyan mo naman ng board. Alright, flip the bottle. Okay, nag-flip na sa kanya. Sa'yo, hindi pa. Ikaw, para na dito. And then you're gonna play tic-tac-toe. So you're gonna go to right, circle or X. Huwag mo na, para maganda lang ang kumbol dyan. And then, pag natapos ka na, balik ka sa likod. Only then, the next one will be able to come up here to flip the bottle. Hindi pwede yung pagkasulat na dito, takbo ka na. Kailangan makabalik mo na siya dyan. Yes? Malinaw? O ngayon, ano mangyayari sa'yo? Tapos mo dyan, punta ka dito, o balik ka doon. No, you need to have it stand up. Okay? So, in cases na naubos na, like, syempre, tiny na. Sabihin natin ang tic-tac-toe, as you guys know, kung manapagaro na, meron po ito tie round, tie part, diba? O, yung manok. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, pwede yung galawin yung isang sabaw. May circle dito, come up here. 6, 7. Ayan, sabaw, may circle na dyan. Tapos, mayroon ka circle dito, may X dyan, may X dyan, may X dyan. Tie. Diba? Yung isa po rin yung lipat. Isa lang ha. Until makabuo kayo ng isang straight line. I'll be here, watching. I'll be watching. Okay? tayo? Test run? Test run? Okay, sige. Back. Sige, tingnan nyo kung sino gusto mag-test run. Alright? Okay, sige. Atlas? Atlas? Ha? Good question. Do you want to be circle or X? Circle? Okay lang sa inyo, gusto nyo yung circle. X na. Mga X. Okay. Alright. So, 6-7 for the X. 1 touch for the circle. This is only the trial round. Trial round. Okay? So, 3, 2, 1, go!
Pwede dito magpunta pero ingat lang ha. No one will stop until hindi natatapos yung bote. Oh, ako na siya. Sige na una. Go, go, go. Sige. Oh,
Next, kaya dalawa yan. Sige, dalawa yung marker, ha? Oh, hindi ko pwede. Hindi ko siya bumabalik.
oh, balik na.
Oh, only then. Okay, oh, balik. Oh. Okay. Nakakatawa na, napaka-chill lang nila. Ay, kaya yung napaka-chill lang nila. Wala tayong pressure. Okay.
Dalawa yung marker.
Dalawa yung marker, guys. O, balik ka na. Okay. Okay. So, I guess it's a race. So, as you can see, guys, no, I think status. Okay, nauna siya. There we go, we have a winner. Okay, ganun lang ang gagawin mo. Only this time, mas mabilis. Okay, I'll provide here atras. So, I'll provide here yung pakura. Medyo tissue gagawin tayo, yes. Again guys, pag napuno, I stand corrected. Hindi po siya pag napuno. Tatlo lang, tatlong X, tatlong circle. Pagka halimbawa, ikaw na yung pang-apat, bumurahin yung isang circle. Ililipat ko. Malinaw? Malinaw? Gets ba? Gets ba? Again ha, maximum of 3 lang. 3 circles, 3X. So halimbawa, o sige, dahil hindi ko na-explain na maayos. Halimbawa, guys, so tingin sa akin, contestants. Halimbawa, naglagay ako dito yung nasa one circle. Naglagay isa dito circle, naglagay dito isa X. Dito naman X. Naglagay ako dito circle. Saan ang maglalagay ng X? Dito. Paano yan? Maglalagay mo ang circle dito? Pwede, pero muburahin dito. Burahin nyo, para malagay dito na circle. Ganyan. Get? O paano naman, paano yung X? Kasi magpura kayo, lagay siya, lagay nyo dito, hanggang sa makapuro kayo. Okay? It's gonna be a race. Malinaw? Alright. So, as everyone got a piece, as one is to play, hopefully, mabilis na tayo, mas mabilis na sila with pressure. So, Bonchon and 6-7. Are you guys ready? Ready? Start. Okay, mabilis lang, mabilis. 6-7, got it first. Iiinom na, Sir Ken. Guys, may issue para mapura. Okay.
Okay. Parang mabilis-bilis na to. Uy, bilis! Mabilis. Okay, nakatatlo na. You have to erase one. You have to erase one. Erase one. Erase one. Uy, bakit? Ang pinulan niyo sa kalaban. 6-7 is X. There we go. That's a duplicate game. Erase one. Erase one. Erase one. Burahin mo isa. No. Magbura ka ng isa sa tatlo. Uy, tuloy lang. Yan. Okay. Okay. Chill lang to. Chill lang. You have to erase one, ha? Uy, X kayo. Ba't yung circle ang binubura nyo?
Mali. Circle ka, yung X lang ang pinumpura. Balik mo yung circle dyan. Okay. Ano yung gusto mo purahin na X?
Remember, 6-7 is X. Bottom is circle.
Pag nalagay ka na kayo, nasa iyo. Ba't mo yung babalik dyan? Pili ka na iba. Saan mo gusto ilagay? Anywhere. Wag mo. May spot, di ba dito galing? 1, 2, 3, mamili ka sa tatlong spot. Oh, go, ilagay mo. Get? Panalo na tayo, boy! Ayo!
Circle has a one straight line. Circle has a one straight line. Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right. You have to erase one. Erase one. Well, actually, hindi ganyan. Kasi it's the same thing. Ito, ano yung buburay mo? 5, 4, 5. Okay, good. Okay na. Alright. Play one. Now, I want to ask you guys. Do you want to make this a second round, third round, best of 3 rounds, or total winners na? Of course, the winners wanted to be the winners. Do you want more rounds? Or do you want it, wala na? Wala na? Oh my God, ang bilis. Okay, sige. Yes, good luck. Alright, so with that, dahil magbilisan lang, ang bilis siya naman. Pero sige, let's have the Botchan as winners. So, para lang makita nyo, no, guys. This is their tic-tac-toe. It's better sana. O, nakikita nyo din. So, this is the line that they've made. Ayan. Ito yung, Steve tic-tac-toe. Okay, so with that, okay naman talaga guys, each of you will get or receive Vital 1 purified drinking water. And then for our winners, you all have 1 Vital purified drinking water and of course you have a prize from us. Yes, okay. So bago kayo pumunta, picture tayong lahat. Then, alright, so congratulations. Congrats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much. Picture tayo, may magpipicture ba? Ayan, ito sila. Pero from us, dito ako sa gitna. Usog tayo ng onte. Usog tayo ng onte. Dito ako sa gitna. Ayan. Usog lang. Ayan. Okay. Siyempre dapat ako dito.
So yun, di ba? Once again, this game is sponsored by Vital One Purified Drinking Water, and thank you so much for sponsoring this game and this event. Ayun. Okay, so palakpakan natin mga winners. Medyo mabilis ang nangyari, mabilis ang hila. So mamaya, meron pa tayong other games and hopefully guys, you still participate. Okay? Team 6-7, thank you so much for participating. I hope you enjoyed. Bonchon, thank you so much for participating and congratulations for winning the game.